Hi, my loves, it's Nani. Before we start, make yourself cozy. Imagine I've just slipped into your room quietly to bring a touch of calm and a bit of order just for you. You know how much I enjoy tidying your space and making everything feel lighter and clearer. If you're curious for more ideas that turn everyday chores into little moments of joy, let's stay in touch. I share extra tips and behind the scenes on my socials. Head to the link in my bio and come say hi. I'm taking a soft microfiber cloth and a dry pass over the glass just to remove the light layer of powdery dust. This keeps the liquid from turning it into streaks. A small spray of cleaner, not too much, just a fine mist across the top half, then the bottom. I like to work from top to bottom, so any drips move into the area I'll clean next. Slow, steady strokes, edge to edge. I'm folding the cloth as I go, always using a clean side. Along the edges, tiny circles help lift the marks without leaving lines. If the sun is bright, I work in the shade or in small sections so the cleaner doesn't dry too fast. I hold the cloth with 2 fingers and trace the very edges where tiny lines like to hide. One deep breath and we step back together. The room feels brighter, the air fresher, and the window looks like it's not even there, just light. I hope you can feel that little lift in your chest, the quiet that comes when things shine. Thank you for spending this time with me today. Take a look in the description for a special link with more handy tips. You can also peek at the comments or my bio. There's always something new waiting for you. Don't forget to like this video and leave a comment so you won't miss my next care routine. See you in the next one. Bye.